everyone, today we're going to learn how to draw the 7-circle knot. We're going to draw two different versions of it. So here are two examples of the first version that we're going to do. It's very basic, it's a rose shaped pattern. So this is just a very sort of basic version of it. And this is a bit more complicated. I will show you how it looked before I coloured it all in. This in itself looks like a really nice design. You may like to leave it uncoloured as it really emphasises the weaving of the lines. Here is a clear view of the finished design. Start by drawing a circle near the centre of your page, or anywhere that you would like to. Make sure that you've still got plenty of room to work outside of it. Place your compass point on the top point of the circle and then draw another circle, keeping the compass measurement the same. Place your compass point on that intersection point, draw another circle, and continue this around the entire circle. One thing that you don't actually have to do is you don't have to draw an entire circle. I'm just so used to doing it that I tend to do it every time. But what I mean is you could just draw up into the edge of the inner circle, like so. But you know, some people like me just like to do a full circle. You can erase what you don't need later on. From here we're going to place a compass point within one of the outer circles, and you're going to reduce your lead until you've reached a bandwidth that you're happy with. Again, you can draw a full circle, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to just draw it to the edge of that inner circle and just continue this all the way around the circle again. Hopefully you're actually able to see these lines. I did notice in my last video that the lines were pretty light and difficult to see. I was going to make sure that these lines were a lot darker, but this particular lead seems to be relatively light enough. I wanted to use a sharp lead today. Cool, and from here we're going to place our compass point there. Doesn't really matter which one you choose, but I'm going to go with that one. And extend your compass until it meets that crossover point right there. And you draw a line and it should meet nicely with that point. And continue this all the way around.
Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight.
And then we're going to place our compass point there again, and we're going to reduce the lead to this point, just to the left of what we just drew, to meet up with that line, drawing a nice connected ring, and then you're drawing it up to there. And again, continue this around the circle.
Feeling like a secret I can keep. I'm letting tonight, tonight. There's nothing left to dream. And this broken lullaby is all that's left to sing. I keep waiting for you. I can't make it without you next to me. Oh no, no, no. Tonight, 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 I opened up my eyes. Tonight, 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 I'm wide awake and bright.
So I'm really not going to bother colouring all that in because I think I'll end up using the back of this paper to draw the other pattern. For this one I have measured exactly to the centre point. For this, make sure that you have lots of room to work around. Especially for this one because we need to create an outer border. I am not going to go completely through the circle this time because there are a lot of lines that are going to go through it and it's just going to get a bit too complicated.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong,
The next step is to grab your ruler and measure from that point to that point. Just make a wee mark through there. Place your compass point on the top point there and reduce your lead until it touches the edge of that inner circle. Draw a wee mini circle here. And then from here we're going to place our compass point back in the center of the circle, the middle circle. Extend your edge to the center of that little circle. And we're going to draw a nice big circle here. And then extend your lead to the outer point of the little circle. And there is a large circle around the pattern. From here, grab your roller. We're going to connect these points and then draw a wee line here and here. You also want to draw just one little line going through the edge of that center circle. And then connect these points. Draw another mark here and here. You're then going to place your compass point back in the center of the little circle and just again get the measurement of that little circle there. And then place your compass point on the one mark that you drew on the center of the circle and draw another little circle here. And then place your compass point on that point there. And you're going to measure to the center of that little circle. And you're going to just draw a semicircle just to the edge of that outer circle. And continue this around the circle.
We're doing wrong,
place your compass point here again and reduce the lead to the left point of the little circle, and draw a semicircle like so, and repeat this from every point.
We're doing wrong, 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 but I'm trying to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you.
Next, we're going to place our compass point here and extend your lead to that point there, and then just draw a mark there, and there, and just continue around the circle. And lastly, extend the lead to that point right there. And draw like so. So I'm going to colour this all in now, and I will show you how it looks at the end.